Well, new data suggests California's requirement for state workers to prove they're vaccinated or get tested regularly may not be as effective as state leaders had hoped for in getting more people the shot.
There are even some state agencies where fewer than half of their workers have gotten the vaccine. 17's Ashley Zavala breaks down the numbers.
This rule went into effect in the beginning of August, and even though it's been implemented for months, state worker vaccination rates are lower than the rate for the state's overall population. The latest data from California Human Resources shows 62% of state workers are vaccinated as of October 7th. But that figure does not represent all departments, as just 118 of the state's 166 entities have reported vaccine information to CalHR. The reported vaccination rate of state workers is lower than that of the state's population, which as of Monday was at 72%.
We need to step things up.
In late July, Governor Gavin Newsom and Health and Human Services Secretary Dr. Mark Ghaly announced the first in the nation rule for state workers to either prove they're vaccinated or submit to regular testing. It was a push to get workers vaccinated. Months later, CalHR data shows there are numerous state agencies that have less than half of their workers vaccinated, including the Employment Development Department at 26%, the Department of Forestry and Fire Protection at 30%, the Prison Industry Authority at 47%, and the California Earthquake Authority at 41%. In a statement, a CalHR spokesperson said, quote, "Considering the novelty and complexity of this statewide program, we think the testing effort is progressing quite well, and we expect it to continue expanding in the coming weeks until all departments are in compliance." We reached out to the director of the California Department of Public Health as well as the state's Health and Human Services Secretary for comment on this, but we have not yet heard back. Reporting in Sacramento, Ashley Zavala, 17 News.